everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I actually unboxed this a couple months ago, and when I went to edit the video, noticed that the video was out of focus the whole time. There was nothing I could use from it. I wanted to help out a new upcoming diamond painting company, Diamond Art Dreams. I purchased this because I just believe in the person. I believe in the artist. She has several art pieces at other companies, but decided that she wanted herself to step away and create her own dream in an art company or in a diamond painting company. I also work with a multicultural group of people. Many of them are refugees and immigrants, and so when I saw this on her website, I had to get it, and so I am going to open it for you a second time. It's not really going to be like an actual unboxing. Oh, there's where this didn't come with it. So this is from Sherri Baldy, and she does Diamond Art Dreams. Look how fun that is. It's like on this glitter paper, and she sends some cute little candies, which, you know, I give to my husband because he likes candy. And so if I'm off diamond painting, he can be happy. Okay, so it came with a single placer, some baggies, some bent tweezers. If you don't use these tweezers, but you like miniatures, feel free to use them. That's what I've heard. You can also give them to your local school. Ooh, sour gumball, watermelon flavor. So here are the different, this is my bestie TM for my craft table to yours, Sherri Baldy, artist and owner. And then this is signed certificate of authenticity by the artist. So Sherri, thank you so much. So that shows you that, and then it came in this. I'm not gonna fake unbagging. And then these were on a clip in here. How cute is this little thumbs up? Awesome. I think that came from another painting I was working on at the time. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready to see this? So this was her first run through. Since then, she has gone back and made things bigger, made things more clear, but I still love this. DiamondArtDreams.com. This is called DAD020. No, I'm kidding. There's 27 colors. You get this DIY steps. It's a 28 by 36 centimeter. And then you have all these symbols here with the DMC colors. As you can see, this comes in the packaging we're used to from, you know, other companies. It's got the little, we'll open it up. It's not bad at all. This is how companies start out. So it's round. You got these little packages, which back in the day we used to count them, right? We would get shipments in. It would say how many baggies we were supposed to have. But how cute is this little girl? Isn't she adorable? So I wanted to do this and frame it in my office. I thought it was just beautiful. It's poured glue. Poured glue you can turn the other way to help flatten it. You do not want to do this with double-sided adhesive. But she's adorable. You can see the symbols here we're used to. This is a good little snack piece. I could probably do this in 3 or 4 days without a baby, but right now I have a baby, so it's probably gonna take me a couple months. But I just think she's so cute. And it's got a soft, like a felt backing. It's got the serge on it. And it says, when diamond art dreams come true, create a little sparkle in your world. Let's measure it. Let me see where my measuring tape is. It's supposed to be 28 by 36 centimeters. So it is 28 by 35.5. They do ask that you give them up to 1 centimeter flexibility because they don't want to distort And you're not going to get like 35.5, you know, the computers round up. But I'm excited. I'm excited to do this, and then I plan on sharing it with hashtag Diamond Art Dreams. Sherri, you are amazing. I do have 2 more on order. I saw one of them at the retreat being done by Kara, the principal painter, and she is such an enabler, so I ended up buying that one, and then Mindy showed me another one. And I had to, like Mindy's diamond painting, I had to go and purchase that as well. So those are on pre-order. Because it's a, you know, she's working at building her business, I'm assuming you have like this pre-order. So when you go to her site, she's going to have some that you can purchase right now because they're in stock. Some that are on pre-order, which means they've been ordered, they're on their way to the country. And so go ahead and pre-order them. And once they hit the country, they'll be here. And then she has something like a coming soon. So you can't order, but you can ask to have an email when it is on pre-order. And yeah, so there's different tiers. Check them out. This is from her Diamond Art Dreams Beautiful Besties, and I'm super excited to do it so I can frame it and put it in my office. So thank you, Sherri, for sharing your art. Thank you for working so hard to help us be happy in our crafting world. I can't wait to start this. I'm going to enter this in my logbook as well. I need to look up in the computer when I ordered and when I received it, all of that information. Her pricing, I'm going to crinkle for a minute. Her pricing is comparable to the other art companies that are not overseas AliExpress. So I would definitely, you get a good deal for what you're buying. I do have a larger one that I had won in a contest that I plan on unboxing. I haven't opened it yet just to see how it compares with the smaller one. Be checking that video out soon. So I am so glad that you're here. Give this a thumbs up if you want more unboxing videos, and I can't wait till our next Whip and Chat Friday night lives, fun with Jen. And you know, in a couple days you're going to be able to see more of baby Willow as the risk period will be up, and then we can show beautiful pictures of her on YouTube. So I can't wait to see you. Thank you for all that you do, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.